Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Toto. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. It's still a hair video, but it's a wig review actually. So I received some hair from this company called Leave-In. It's either Leave-In or Levin. It's L-E-E-V-E-N. So I believe it's Leave-In. I received some hair from this company called Leave-In Hair Company, and they have a lot of different type of hair products on their page. It's from Amazon, and what they sent me was a synthetic wig. Yes, it's a synthetic wig, but when I looked at it on the website, I'm like, okay, it looks good. It looks like it'll be a, you know, a nice looking wig. Before I show you this wig, y'all know I got some hair, right? Y'all know I got some hair, and it's so hard to get it to lay flat. And yeah, because my hair, I didn't want to blow dry my hair and then braid it up just to get this wig on. So my hair, as you know, if you've seen my previous videos, I had already, you know, put it in twists, so I just left it like that because I plan on washing my hair. So I end up just bobby pinning my twist around my head as flat as possible, so I will give you guys some type of 360. But this is the side, this is the back. So yeah, this is as flat as I can get it. I tried so many ways to see how I can get this flat without me looking like I got a hat wig on. So even still, y'all, I did try this wig on before, and it's really, it's still a trial and error. So we gonna figure this thing out together. Like I said, I got a lot of hair and I tried to flatten it as much as possible. Yeah, we gonna figure this thing out. So let me just show you guys what the wig looks like. It's actually very pretty. This is Sosha. She's holding my hair. It actually has a center part, and the spacing for it is really good. Very natural looking, as you can see. Like, you can see her scalp. This hair is 28 inches, and you will see where it falls on me when I put it on. I haven't cut the lace yet or anything. I haven't done anything to this hair. I'm not sure if I will. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks on. And yeah, so obviously you can't really like put a comb or anything through this hair, but the texture is pretty consistent all the way down. So yes, this is 28 inches, and what I love about this hair is, for one, the parting. It's only one, you know, one part, so it's not like a free part or anything. You can't like toss and turn from left to right or anything like that. But there's still versatility to this wig, because you can actually, if you don't want to wear it, you know, if you don't want to wear it as a 28-inch long weave, you can have your diva long hair. If you want to wear it at 28 inches, you can have your safe length hair, which is like boob length or waist length or whatever. Or you can have your edgy, sexy type of hair and make it into a bob. So you can literally take this hair and transform it in 3 different ways, you know, and that works good for, you know, synthetic hair, because then you can just chop off like the tangly matted hair and just make it and refresh it that way, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this thing on, y'all. Yeah, I was trying, y'all. I was trying to get this to look how I want it to look. So I may be going off camera just to get it right, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on initially just so you guys can see what it looks like, where it falls on me and all that, and then I'll try to maneuver it and hopefully get this thing right. But so far, like from first impression looking at it, I do love it. It still looks natural, so it doesn't look like that shiny mirror see-through. I can see your reflection in it because it's so shiny type of wig hair. It has a middle part, but the middle part has enough space to where you can actually see your scalp. Usually it's like bunched up to where you can't see any scalp. And then the length is a really great length because you can play with it 3 different ways. It's not too thick or bulky or anything like that. And yeah, it doesn't have a smell or anything either. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put on this stocking cap. It looks like it's my color, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on this stocking cap because this is the only one that I have. I actually may double up on the cap to see if I can get it to lay flat. It may not lay flat. Let's see if I try 2 of these. Will it help my hair? Just for extra security. Okay, let's go ahead and try this thing on. And then I'm gonna initially put it on, and then I'm going to cut the lace and put it on too. But I don't think I'm gonna pluck the hairline. I don't know, because y'all, I don't have a hairline, and you like, yes you do. But putting on wigs like this, it's like my hairline goes further down than the wig, and then since it's two different textures, it just look crazy. But as you can see, my hairline is literally like half of an inch away from my eyebrow, so it's kind of like, it's really hard to try to pull this wig or any wigs down to like cover that and then create some fake baby hair. So y'all, it's a struggle to try to find wigs that actually, so I probably would have to like get wigs that are way bigger than my actual head just so it could fit right as far as with my hair thickness and with this hairline. Yeah, all right, let's go ahead. It does have combs in it, and I'm going to use these combs and attach them because I haven't done, like I said, this is the first initial review. So let me show you, give you a side view. Do I look like I got a hat head? Do I look like? This is it. This is how long it goes. So I'm gonna cut this lace and then I'll come back to you guys because doing it on camera is a struggle. So yeah, so give me a second. Okay guys, so actually after cutting the lace off, it actually doesn't look that bad. Like even when I do this, and I left some here so that way I'll have some room to play with it. It can look a little bit more natural. It can give the appearance of not so much as a thick hairline. So yeah, it doesn't look that bad once I did pull it down. So I did slick my hair, my edges down with some edge control, got to be glued. I'm not going to actually, gel it down or glue it down right now because I am just trying it on. And I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not gonna glue it down just yet. But I do plan on wearing this wig tomorrow for work, so I think I might just do that. So now what I'm gonna do is two things. I'm gonna take my liquid eyeliner and I'm gonna fill in where this lace is left over. I'm gonna fill it in and make it black. So that way it'll just look like it goes into my, it matches with my hairline. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fill this part in with this liquid eyeliner. And this is the old one that I have, so it's not quite dark because it's the ink, I guess, whatever is running out on it. But this is a voluminous liner. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna use to cover and conceal this brown mesh. So I'm gonna use this powder to define my part in the middle. And that's all I'm gonna do, and then I'll just give you guys the final results of how this wig actually looks. So guys, that is it for this video. I actually really love this hair. Like, after I cut the lace off, it's like it came alive, and I don't even have on a full face makeup, and I'm like, okay, I'm really digging this hair. So I love the fact that it, like I said, it has length to it, so I can cut it as short and keep it as long as I want. But definitely, like, once it starts to like get really matted and tangle or whatever at the ends, I will be chopping away at it. But I love this hair. Like, it does look natural. It doesn't have that fake shiny look to it or feel. It's actually really soft. So I love that about this. I like the fact that it does have a part that you can visibly see, because we know that the synthetic wigs that, you know, used to come out wasn't like that. You had to pluck a part in order to see a scalp or a fake scalp. So I do love that about that. What else? I love that this already comes with layers. So the front part of my hair stops at my armpit, and then the rest of it falls at my hip. So 28 inches is really long. I love the fact that it does have the layers, because it gives it a better look. It gives it volume. It doesn't look boring. It isn't just one straight length, one full length. So I love the fact that it has layers in it. What else? So yeah, like, it looks really natural. Like, I love, do y'all see this? Like, I could play in this. Now, I'm pretty sure, it, like I said, the packaging didn't come with a name. It didn't come with any instructions or if it's flame retardant or anything like that. But I don't plan on straightening this hair, no. I want to keep it in its natural state. I won't put any water or anything in it. I'll probably put mousse in it, if anything. And then, like I said, just chop it away for maintenance. So mousse and scissors is what this hair will be getting. But yeah, for maintenance, I'm just gonna put her back on the wig head. I'm going to be chopping away at it as needed, and then I'm gonna apply mousse. But that's pretty much it. I won't be doing anything else to this hair. I believe I covered all the bases. It's not too thick or too wiggish looking. It's like a very natural looking amount of hair, if that makes sense. So I love this wig, y'all. Like, yeah, and for the simple fact I didn't have to do anything special to my hair in order to get this wig on, as far as like blow drying it, braiding it all up just to keep it out of the way. I literally just pinned my twist around my head and I was able to get this wig on. So I love that, y'all. I love that. I love that. So I have a wig in my arsenal, and it's cheap. Oh, price. So the amount of this wig was $38. Yes, $38 for 28 inches of hair. And it's a wig. And it has a middle part already assigned to it, you know. $38 for this wig, and it's 28 inches long. So yes, if you want affordable, natural looking synthetic hair, then you can head on over to Amazon, look up leave-in. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description box, and you can choose your color however you want, but I believe they're all 28 inches, so you have 28 inches to play with. Keep it long or cut it short or medium length, whatever you want to do. But yeah, this hair is bomb, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a few pictures, a few snapshots, and yeah. So like I said, if you guys have any questions about this hair, if you just have any questions, just go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will check you guys in the next video. Okay, peace, love, and hair grease. Bye.